I'm Murli from Vedavak Systems Limited company. We are a financial inclusion company and business automation company. And we are also into new areas of e-education. Veda EduTech is actually our portfolio where we are trying our best actually to reach most of the villages and educate the low-level class people to the extent possible. That's what we are doing from our organization point of view. And I'm also the member in FTCCI. And I'm delighted to see here the quantum of actually the stalls which have been actually positioned here and the quantum of visitors who are coming in. And we want actually all these visitors to take fullest advantage of each and every stall here in MSME and large-scale organizations who actually present their stalls here. The catch is that they have to share their requirements and each of the stall owners should be able to present their product lines, and there should be business conversion is our key objective with which we actually are striving from FTCCI point of view. Also, we are working on the areas to see each and every stall to what extent they have achieved their business. We are trying our best actually for them to have their business conversion. That's actually a key objective with which we are looking forward, and we are very happy to see good participation by the entrepreneurs and even the visitors, and actually the media, which is taking a wonderful role in actually doing maximum media coverage for each and every stall, and they're putting forward even for the conferences also what are the latest developments which are happening, what quantum of actual needs which are required for the industries to be looked at. That's what actually is being emphasized, and they're trying their best to do it. From our point of view, I had the opportunity of sharing the information that each and every organization need to actually automate their organization, and this automation is as equivalent as big organization also. Unless we do that, it's going to have a supply chain environment in coming times. Each and every organization will have integration through automation. Their order inputs will come automatically into the company, and then basing on that, they go for the processing of their orders for their production lines, and then they can go for their stocking and for selling. And this is what should happen quickly. Unless and until we are automated within the organization and externally we are having the integration, it is not possible for us to have our achievements. So hence, the quick IT adoption is a must for most of these organizations to take off. That's what our recommendation is. And we want to see a good success of business for most of the organizations who are actually kept their stalls, and the organizations who are not actually having the stalls here, we also recommend and we request them to look into this aspect as fast as possible. Then it's going to happen a good drive in our actually Hyderabad and good drive for our country. That's the victory of our country. That's what I feel. Murli here. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Automate their organization, and this automation is as equivalent as big organization also. Unless we do that, it's going to have